As far as the laws of existence are concerned, there is no good and bad, no crime and punishment. It is just that for every action, there is a consequence. If you are willing to go through any consequence that comes to you joyfully, without any regret, then you can perform action seamlessly. But if you are the kind who want a particular type of consequence, if another kind of consequence comes, you will suffer, then you must be very guarded in your actions. This is the way of life. This is what karma means. Karma means not a heap of something from the past. Yes, the past karma has impact on who we are right now, but the most important thing is the present moment's karma. If you conduct this karma consciously, you can create the next moment and the future the way you want it. Because existence is not judging you, it is just that the imprint of karma, the residual imprint of every action that you perform in mind, body, emotion and energy is having an impact on the very way you are, in your health, in your mental status, in your experience and what sort of life you draw towards yourself, everything is determined by this. So taking charge of your karma is about taking charge of your own destiny. It's my wish and my blessing, you should be the master of your own destiny.